what is child beauty pageant? Child beauty pageant is an official beauty pageant in which the children under the age of 10 are compete in a series of rounds and they're judged on their looks. And now this is the United States. The United Nations adopted the Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1990 that first recognized the right of the child to be protected from economic exploitation and from performing and work that is likely to be hazardous or to interfere with the child's education or to be harmful to the child's healthy or physical, mental, spiritual, moral, or social development. So now I will tell you the disadvantages of child beauty pageant. The first problem I have in this child beauty pageant is a form of a young age. Children are receiving a message that look is very important in their lives, and from such a young age they are already dragged from pageant to pageant. And how often do you hear the phrase like, "Shut up! Let mommy do your makeup. Let mommy do your hair extension or your false nails." It is common for them, and it is so materialistic to have young girls brought up with the message that pretty girls can win. And from these days, we should educating our children that inner beauty is what matters. And if you want to be a winner, you have to treating people well and being friendly, charitable, and helpful. And this is the case that mom gives 8 years old Botox. And this is they have a different, they already have an hair extension and makeup. And the next one is the causes of child beauty pageant is it can cause anorexia and bulimia and low self-esteem for children. And the third one is encourage unhealthy competitions. Let the daughters join sports clubs. With this sorts of clubs, it is just as competitive. But the difference is in sorts of clubs, they included the physical and mental stimulations rather than just sitting in a chair and being made up and being made to walk in the stage and have to smile. And the next one is promote competitiveness in a bad way. They can win through beauty, not hard work. In this child beauty pageant, the prettiest girl can win easily without working any harder rather than the other competitors. And the fifth one is promote pedophilia. And child beauty pageant is completely sexualized kids. Like picturing a girl wearing bikini and walking around the stage in front of strangers, and most of them are fully grown men. And it doesn't like the 6 years old do. It is like the street worker does. And we should allow their innocence, and their parents have enough money to enter them from pigeon to pigeon. So they also have enough money to give proper childhood for their children. And not sit in a chair and having extension, makeup, and force inappropriate dresses. Children are commonly argued that the children want to take a part in the child beauty pageant, which I don't disagree with, but many daughters will screaming and hating it. Some girls may like it, but should we let everything they want, we should grant it to them? If your children want to eat candy all day long, you will say no, right? So if kids want to do something, doesn't mean that we should grant it to them. So this is my message. Children wouldn't grow up learning that beauty is the way to success. Pedophilia wouldn't be promoted so much, and young girls would be able to live out an innocent childhood. Babies are not babies, and all kids are beautiful. So, thank you. Is there any questions?
What do you mean by unhealthy competition?
Sorry. Unhealthy competition, which means that the young girls with the previous one can win easily without working harder. If they join the sports club like that, they will be compete in physical and mental stimulations. So they will be work hard to be the winner. So it's called an unhealthy competition.
I'm not really familiar with children beauty pageants, but adults beauty pageants, there are like stages where they have to prove not only their beauty, but also their brain. I'm not sure about children. What do they actually mean about children's beauty pageants? Do you have any information on what people actually assess in this children's beauty pageant?
This beauty pageant haven't done yet in Indonesia. It's commonly in US. But I already hear nowadays there a beauty pageant in Indonesia, but there's not extreme like in here. They just walking the stage and like catwalk like that. But we have to prevent it. So it would be like